Hey everybody, thanks for watching this quick video. My name is Andrew and I'm the host of the new Fort Worth podcast, Fort Worth Roots. You can find us on Apple, Spotify, iTunes, and iHeartRadio. I'm here today with Kat, the president of Friends of Lancaster, a local charity. Our recording today will be episode 19 of the Fort Worth Roots podcast. This video is to tell you about our sponsor, Clean and Clear Lawn and Landscaping, the DFW SOD expert.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for being here.
Hey, thank you. Thank you for having me.
For sure. All right, so today I wanted to talk to you primarily about some of the services that you offer.
Okay.
One of the things that you mentioned earlier was the new sod that they've been turning out. It's a hybrid, and
Yes.
it is drought resistant.
Yes.
You don't have to water it as much. It's plush green. It's beautiful. It does great in
Yes.
shade and sunlight.
This side is awesome. It's called Northbridge Bermuda.
Northbridge Bermuda.
Yes.
Okay.
And all the customers that I've had that we installed Northbridge Bermuda, it's like a tongue twister.
Yeah.
all of the customers that we installed this, they love it. I mean, we put it down. It looks great when you put it down, but you come back in about 2 weeks, it's almost like you just laid out carpet.
Okay.
And this stuff here, I mean, it's like a deep, dark green.
Okay.
When you get it, when it gets when the roots take. So,
right.
I mean, this grass is awesome. And like I said, it's shade tolerant. It's just as resilient as not Bermuda, as St. Augustine. Yes. So shade tolerant. It's very durable. You can cut it down to half an inch all the way up to 4 inches. Doesn't matter. I mean, this stuff right here is great. But the thing about it, it's so much better than St. Augustine because you don't have to water this much.
Yeah.
When you do a fresh install, you have to water 3 times a week.
Oh, yeah. You got to soak it.
Yeah. St. Augustine, you have to do what, an hour or at least 2 hours every night?
You just basically keep watering it until the city comes out and tells you to shut it off.
Exactly. With this stuff here, new installation, you water it 3 times a week.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice.
You might have 45 minutes each night, 3 times a week, and it's going to catch.
And for those of you listening, that's incredible.
Yes.
3 years ago, I think the big hot sod was Zoysia. Is that right? It was expensive, but it was worth it. And everybody was extremely excited about it. But you're telling me this is a new product.
Yes.
And it is outperforming everything else on the market.
It's outperforming everything else. And this stuff here, I had a guy that bought some Xeon Zoysia. Okay. He bought Xeon Zoysia. He put it in his front yard. It looks wonderful. Don't get me wrong. It looks great. We had, I think, was a pallet and a half left over from a job that we had. We gave it to his next door neighbor. He wanted the TIF. He wanted that Northbridge Bermuda in his yard instead of that Xeon Zoysia.
Get this crap out of here.
Yeah, exactly.
That's funny. And this is because we're in Zone 8, right? Yes. Okay, and this is a Zone 8 grass.
Yes, it is.
Okay,
yes,
perfect.
it is. It's Texas born and bred.
I'm trying to think of the questions that are going to be coming up. What else can you tell me about this grass that I'm not thinking of right now?
I mean, that's just the main thing. It's drought tolerant. It's drought tolerant. It's shade resistant. It's just it's the best grass that we have on the market. But the thing is, it's cost effective. It's It's around the same price as St. Augustine, but it's not the $300 or $400 pallet like the Zoysias and things like that. This stuff is it's really good. And like I said, the upkeep is virtually maintenance free.
Now, you with Clean and Clear, y'all have a connection with a local sod farm, and that's where y'all are getting this stuff.
They're the only one that has it.
Okay, well there you go. Okay, you're going to get the best price.
Yes,
and that's the reason that anybody in DFW should be talking to Clean and Clear.
Yes, sir. We're not the cheapest guy on the block, but we will come out. We will do the job right the first time, and we'll use the best quality material. So therefore, you're getting what you're asking for.
All right, guys, that does it for us. Stephen, thank you again, brother.
Thank you, Andrew.
My pleasure. Tell me your website.
It is cleanandclearlawnandlandscaping.net.
What's the name of the sod again?
It is Northbridge Bermuda. All you have to do is go to the website, and you're going to see a little tab that says ask for quote or request quote. Push that button, leave a detailed message, and I'll be back to you soon. We specialize in sod. We do retaining walls. We do French drains, flower beds, you name it, we do it.
Well, we're out of here, and we'll see you next time. Fort Worth Roots, thank y'all for coming by, and we'll see you in a little while for the next episode.
All right, take it easy.
Bye.
I can dig it, man.
Thank you for watching this little video from Fort Worth Roots Podcast. You can find us on Apple Podcast, iTunes, Spotify, iHeartRadio, or look us up on our website at www.fortworthroots.com.